Unlock the power of shared design by mastering Figma's export options. Let's dive into exporting your Figma designs as JPEG, PNG, or PDF, making collaboration and sharing incredibly simple, even with clients or colleagues who don't use Figma directly. First, ensure your design is ready. Select the specific frame or element you want to export. You can select multiple items by holding down the Shift key. Next, head over to the Export section. In the right-hand sidebar, you'll see a clear Export button. Clicking this will reveal the export configurations here. You can choose your desired format. Click the drop-down menu under Format. You have three primary options: JPEG, PNG, and PDF. JPEG is perfect for photographs and designs with gradients, offering smaller file sizes. PNG is ideal for graphics with transparency or sharp lines, as it preserves quality. PDF is excellent for sharing full documents or multi-page designs, maintaining vector quality and allowing for print-ready output. Once you've selected your format, you can also adjust the size. You'll see a size drop-down here. You can choose from 1x, 2x, or even custom dimensions depending on your needs. For PNG and JPEG, you can also often adjust additional quality settings if available, though Figma usually provides sensible defaults. With your format and size set, simply click the Export Selected Item Name button. Your File Explorer will then pop up, allowing you to choose or to save your exported design. Name your file descriptively for easy identification. And just like that, you've successfully exported your Figma design. This process is crucial for every design workflow, ensuring your work is accessible to everyone. Whether it's for a client presentation, a developer handoff, or simply sharing your creative vision, mastering these export formats is your key to seamless collaboration and efficient project management.